welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about something very typical that happens in our household, and that is with the water kettle. We drink a lot of tea, and every time I see the limestone in the water kettle, I think, okay, I'll deal with it later, or I'll deal with it next time before I cook up another pot of tea. But what happens is the limestone, it builds up more and more, and then it just gets real bad. So what happened is I took vinegar and filled it halfway up and cooked it twice with vinegar, and my results were not good at all. So I'm going to give you two more good tips to get rid of the limestone in the water kettle. I'm just going to dispose the vinegar that I have here in my water kettle. Like I said, I tried twice now with vinegar to loosen the limestone, and it just doesn't work for me. So I'm going to do the next step, which is with a lemon. I'm going to show you how that works. I'm just going to add 2 cups of water to the 1 lemon that I cut up, and I'm going to let this boil for 15 minutes. This electric kettle does not boil 15 minutes long, so every few minutes I went over and pressed the lever down so that it would boil the lemon and water together. And so I did this about 5 times in the 15 minutes. Now I'm going to dispose the water in the lemon and see what the results look like. Now that looks really good to me, just the sides still need a little bit of cleaning. So now to get the sides clean, I'm going to continue with the baking soda procedure to get the whole kettle completely clean. I'm going to put in 2 heaping tablespoons of baking soda. Now I'm going to fill up the kettle with water just to the top line, and then I'm going to stir it all together. After I give the water and the baking soda a good stir, I'm going to boil the water kettle for 15 minutes, and again I'm going to have to put the lever down every few minutes in order to get that boiling time in. I must say my kettle is looking very clean and shiny now. I want to thank everyone for joining me today, and next time I'm going to have a special tip for those that have thin hair or their hair is falling out. I'm going to show you a home remedy that will help this problem. So don't miss out on the next video.